Hello. Good morning, children. Today our subject is play and learn. So first, we will do some exercise now. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Join your hands. Children, join your hands. Okay, children. Now, I'll share my screen. Okay, today our subject is play, do, and learn. Children, can you see this picture?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What is in the picture?
The boy playing a football.
Yeah. Very good. They are playing games. What the girls are doing, children?
The girls are sticking a rope.
Yes, right answer. And what the boy is doing?
Boy is playing a football.
Yes, right answer. Very good. They all are playing games. We all like to play games, right? So today, we are going to study on the topic games and competition now. Let's see some entertainment games. What is this game, children? Anyone knows?
Yes. Lemon and spoon.
Yes, right answer. Lemon and spoon game. What are the things used in this game? What are the things?
Is spoon keeping a mouth and is spoon up, right? We keeping a lemon. Then we spoon walk. Spoon walk do.
Very good, very good. They
Spoon
take
and
lemon
lemon walk.
lemon and spoon to play this game.
Yeah.
Lemon and spoon game is a very fun game. The participants are given a spoon and a lemon. The participants have to balance the lemon and walk towards the fishing line. The finishing line, the participant who reaches first wins the race. Now we will see the second game. Children, which game is this?
The dog and the ball.
Yes, right answer. It's dog and bone game. Have you played this game, children?
No.
Okay, now we will see. Dog and the bone game is played between two groups. Two participants player come and try to grab the ball from the circle. The one who grabs the ball runs and goes back. The total points of the groups are counted and the group with higher points wins the game. You must be knowing this game, right?
Hide and seek.
Yes. Its name is hide and seek. We also call Lukka Chupi. We also call Lukka Chupi in India. It is very interesting game. Children, when you go in the garden or village or anywhere, you all play this game with your friends and your sibling, right?
Yes.
Okay. So in this game, all the players hide the one who is the diner. Count till 100 and then tries to hide other player. The one who is left wins the game. Now let's see the another game. Which game is this, children?
Blind man wolf.
Wolf. Huh. The blind man's wolf. It is called Aankh Micholi in Hindi. It is called Aankh Micholi. Children, you know how to play this game?
आँख पर दस्ती लगाना और दूसरे मांसों को पकड़ना.
Yes. This game is played with the cloth tied on the eyes on the catcher. Then the blindfolder catches the other player. And the one who is left is the winner. Which game is this, children?
3-leg.
Yes. This is called a
3-legged.
leg race. Yes. It is running event where two legs of two people are tied together for a race. This race is played in many programs for entertainment. The partner tried to win the race with the tight legs and runs towards the finishing line. The partners who reaches first are the winners.
3-leg.
This is very famous game in India. Children, you know that game?
Silla chairs.
Yes. This game name is musical chairs. Musical chairs game is a party game. It is a game of involving players, chairs, and music. Player move in the circular motion. When the music starts and tries to sit on the chair after the music stops.
I'm play this game.
Good. I also like this game.
Sack race.
Yes,
Sack race.
right. It is also fun, entertainment games. It is a fun game where sack is used to complete the race. Participant jump with the sack to the finishing line.
Sack race.
It's called a sack race.
Who winner sack race?
Now we will see some sedentary games. It's play sitting with no energy used.
Chance.
This game is Chinese Whisper. Children, have you heard about this game?
No.
No, na? Yeah. This game is called Chinese Whisper. In this game, player form a line or a circle. And the first player comes up with the message and whisper it on the ear of the second player, and this repeat.
Telling the door. Donkey.
This game name is Tailing the Donkey. Tailing the Donkey is a game played by a group of children. It is played at birthday parties and family gatherings. A picture of a donkey with a missing tail to a wall. The child is blindfolded and tries to pin the tail of the donkey. The one who put the pin on the right direction is the winner. We will see some traditional and regional games.
Gildand.
This game name is Gilli Danda. Yes, yes. Children, can you tell me what the girl is sketching?
No. L-I.
Anyone know?
The
girl is sketching wooden stick. It is known as the traditional game of India. It was played in the old time. Gilli Danda is also known as Vitti Danda. Many children living in the rural areas and the small towns used to play this game every day.
Kabaddi.
Yes, right. This game name is Kabaddi. Kabaddi is played all over India. Kabaddi is a game played national and international level. There are two groups with 7 players. Each points be counted and the higher score teams win the match.
Kho.
Yes, this game name is Kho. Kho is one of the oldest games of India, which is played on competitive levels.
Catching game. Kho. 7 stones.
Yes, this game name is 7 stone game. There are 7 stones used in this game. It is a ancient Indian games. This game is called Lagori. In India, Lagori is played in between two teams. Two teams in a large outdoor area. The teams have to knock down the stone and rearrange them while the other team throws a ball on the opposite team members.
Ready. Hopscotch.
Hopscotch. Yes, this game is called hopscotch. Hopscotch is a jumping game also called a langdi pani in India. In this game, boxes are drawn and each box is given a number. And all players try to jump on the box and finish the game. Kancha. Children, have you seen this game?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. This is one of the very oldest game of India, called as Kancha, a game played with marbles. It is one of the traditional game of India. The players hit the selected target Kancha using their own marbles ball. The winner takes all Kanchas of rest of the player. Now children, you have to find the game name. You find the game name.
Cricket.
Yes, this is very famous game. Its name is cricket. Very good. Right answer.
Football.
Football. This game is ball.
Football.
Football.
Very good.
Hockey.
Hockey.
Hockey, yes.
Rumala.
Volleyball.
Volleyball. This game name is volleyball.
Volleyball.
Basketball.
Yes, right answer. This game name is basketball.
Ludo.
Ludo.
Snake game.
Snakes and ladders.
Snake and ladder.
Yes.
Chess.
It's very good. This game name is chess. Very good.
Chess is very easy.
Yes. Do you like to play this game?
Yes.